LCD laminating machine. It is 40-inch, can for iPad or 8 screen at one time. It is very intelligent, safe, and easy. So now I will show you how to use it. First, we need to clean the LCD. And then put LCD glass out. As you can see that this can laminate at one time for several screens together. The laminating time is very short, just need about 30 seconds. It will come out automatically. So now, the laminating already finished. And we have a good LCD. And actually, for this machine, we can also use for the glass and the frame together. You can put the glass and the frame together on the mold and the LCD. And for this, it is the same function with here, so you can press. So this can use for laminating. And for example, if the electricity is suddenly off, it is still very safe because it will close automatically. So you don't need to worry about safe. It is very intelligent, safe, and easy machine. Thanks for watching.